Hi friend, back to my channel again. This tutorial I am going to show you how to hide or unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, then open the settings app. Once you are in main settings, scroll down to slowly. Here you can find the home screen option, tap on them. Then scroll down again, look for the hide apps on home and app screen. Click on them. After this page, here you can see all of the apps listed there. Simply scroll through the page, select the one or multiple apps if you want to hide. After selecting the app, tap on the done button at the very top. And you have successfully hide apps. To check this process is work or not, return to your home screen, open app door and swipe right to left or left to right, but no longer with their app. However, if you decide to unhide them app, don't panic. So return to the same page. After that, tap on hide apps on home and app screen option. Here you can look at the very top, see all of the hidden apps there. Simply find the apps if you want to unhide. Then click on the minus sign next to their name. Once everything is okay, tap on the done button at the very top and automatically unhide the app. Now return to your home screen, open the app door, then swipe left to right and see all of the unhide apps there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also like this video.